Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the best drones you can buy right now in 2026, from powerful flagship models to lightweight travel drones and beginner-friendly options. All purchase links are in the video description below. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. Bwine F7MINI 4K, RC3. The Bwine F7MINI 4K, RC3 is a lightweight, feature-packed drone designed for adults and beginners who want to capture high-quality aerial footage without the hassle of complex setup. It weighs under 249 g, which means it's FAA exempt in many regions and easy to carry on trips or outdoor adventures. The drone comes with a built-in 5.5 HD touchscreen controller, so you don't need a phone to fly, and its 48MP camera lets you shoot 8K photos and 4K video with the help of a 3-axis brushless gimbal and electronic image stabilization (EIS) for smoother footage. With GPS tracking, auto-return home, and beginner-friendly flight modes, it's suitable for new pilots, while features like long-distance transmission and automatic takeoff/landing make flying more reliable and fun. Overall, it's a portable, capable choice for everyday aerial photography and video creation. Number 2. Bingchat AE Pro Max Professional Drone. The Bingchat AE Pro Max Professional Drone is an advanced aerial device designed for adults who want powerful performance and smart safety features in one package. It includes a digital image transmission gimbal camera with night mode, delivering clear and stable footage even in low light conditions, while the 3-axis anti-shake gimbal ensures smooth, professional quality video. Equipped with 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance, the drone can detect and avoid objects in real time, making flight safer and more controlled. It also features a low battery alarm with automatic flight range limitation and safe auto-return, so the drone will return home on its own when the battery is low or the signal is weak. With payload release capability, long-range transmission, high wind resistance, and a tablet-style touchscreen controller powered by a smart system, it offers a highly intuitive flying experience. Designed for both stability and versatility, this drone is ideal for long-distance flights, creative filming, and reliable performance in different environments. Number 3. DJI Air 3S Fly. The DJI Air 3S Fly More Combo is a premium drone kit built for serious creators and aerial photographers, featuring a dual camera system with a 1 CMOS wide-angle sensor and a medium telecamera that together capture stunning 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video and high-resolution stills with exceptional dynamic range. Its advanced omnidirectional sensing system enhances flight safety by detecting obstacles in all directions, while next-generation smart return-to-home and intelligent flight modes give you confidence during complex shots. With up to about 45 minutes of flight time per battery and 3 batteries included for extended sessions, plus robust transmission and stable gimbal performance, it's designed to keep you in the air longer and capture smooth, cinematic footage from every angle. Compact yet powerful, the Air 3S Fly More Combo is ideal for travel, landscape, and professional-level video projects. Number 4. SKYROVER X1 Fly. The SKYROVER X1 Fly More Combo is a lightweight, feature-packed drone designed for adults and content creators who want professional-style aerial footage without the bulk, coming in at under 249 g, so it often avoids strict registration rules while still delivering 8K photos and 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video with smooth stabilization. It boasts 360 degrees obstacle sensing to help reduce crash risks and keep flights safer, and a powerful long-range transmission system with up to about 50,000 feet, 15 kilometers, of control and live video feed, making it great for wide-open scenery and exploration. With 3 intelligent batteries included for a combined up to 96 minutes of flight time, you can stay airborne longer, while intelligent modes like GPS-assisted flight and return-to-home give peace of mind. Compact and portable yet capable, the X1 is ideal for hobbyists and travelers who want reliable performance and high-quality imaging on every flight. Number 5. DJI Mavic 4 Pro Fly. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro Fly More Combo is a flagship-level drone that combines professional imaging power with advanced flight performance, making it ideal for creators, filmmakers, and serious hobbyists. It features a triple camera system anchored by a 100MP 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad main sensor for breathtaking photos and 6K/60 FPS HDR video, supported by additional medium tele and telephoto lenses for versatile perspectives and creative framing. With an omnidirectional sensing system, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, and long-range 04+ transmission up to about 30 kilometers, 18.6 miles, it offers confident, safe flights even in complex environments. The included DJI RC2 touchscreen remote controller makes operation intuitive, while the Fly More combo adds extra batteries and accessories to extend your total flight time up to around 51 minutes per battery, letting you stay in the air longer and capture more footage on each outing. Overall, this drone delivers unmatched image quality, robust safety features, and extended flight endurance for demanding aerial photography and video projects. That's it for our top drone picks for 2026. If this video helped you choose your next drone, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tech buying guides and reviews. Hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.